Oh, look at what we have here. A 1969 Chevelle right out of California where it lived its whole life. Under the hood is a 600 horsepower 496 big block stroker motor. It has vintage air, a built turbo 400 automatic, posi rear end. This thing's pretty cool. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find a price tag on every car, including this one. We have about 200 in stock right now, and each one will have a monthly finance payment as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post a few videos a day. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, California car, so I'm expecting a pretty clean body. And it sure looks that way so far. The hood is all nice and square and flush. It's the SS hood. All lines up real nice. Fenders all nice and clean. Right down to the bottom. All smooth. The lines are nice. The gaps are real nice. Oh, it opens very easily. See how it closes. I barely pushed it. I was like, oh, it ain't going to close, and it did. All nice, clean, square, smooth, flush, real nice quarter panels all the way to the bottom, nice and clean. Oh, little surface, couple little spots right behind the tire, very small. Clean trunk, all nice and clean here. This quarter panel, real nice, smooth as can be. All nice, clean, smooth, square. Shuts nice. Nice, clean, straight body that fits really nicely too. A smooth gloss white finish. I didn't notice any flaws when we were just walking around it, but maybe there is one, or I'm sure there's one or two, or something very minor we could nitpick. Here's a little chip that's been touched up. But overall, it's like white glass. Front end. New emblems. Looks like the grill is new. They got some cool headlights. Looks like a projector beam in the middle. Chrome bumpers are shiny. Marker lights look new. New correct antenna. This is new. Windshield's new. All the stainless trim is very good. Mirrors look new. Emblems new. The seals are in good shape. They don't look brand new, but they're good. Door handles are a 7 out of 10. The vinyl top, that's in excellent shape. There's no rust or bumps underneath it. It's probably new. Rear window's original. It does have some scratches in the glass like most of them do. A few little pimples in this piece of chrome right here. The rest of it's stainless, so there's no pitting. Back bumper looks like it's a 7. It's been replaced, but just a few light, surface marks on it. So that's all looking real nice. Then the wheels. I really like the wheel choice. I think that's a big part of the reason I bought it. It just sets this one apart. Also being white. We just don't get white Chevelles too often. They're 15-inch. They're Hurst wheels, nice and wide. Got some meaty tires on there. Same thing in front, a little smaller tire. So let's open it up. I got some more to show you. You're going to love under the hood. All right, let's see what we have inside the trunk. Actually, it may be the original white paint under the trunk lid and the jamb. It's not quite as sharp as the exterior, but still looks good. Weather strip has been replaced. Inside is real nice, though. A few crumbs on the carpet here. All nice, solid underneath. The carpet is a nice insulated mat, so it's not going to get condensation, but the whole thing is carpeted. We have a jack and a spare tire as well. Go to volocars.com. You can see a couple hundred cars for sale with all sorts of information on each one of them, pictures, videos, pricing, financing, shipping. Door jambs might be original as well. Again, not as sharp as the outside, but they're good. The door weather strips were replaced. Door panels are in really nice shape. There's a little bit of a buckle on each of them. Armrests are real good. So it has a custom dash. The pad is new, but this whole panel is new. Autometer gauges. It has this extra gauge cluster here with the matching gauges. I don't know what the thought of this tachometer. It's like a vintage tack, but there's already a tack. I personally would probably remove that. Kenwood stereo. I see a little microphone here, so it must be a hands-free. It is Bluetooth. Nice clean area. You got speakers in the kick panel. You got some Lloyd's SS mats. Carpet's been replaced. Real cool shifter, B&M shifter. I like that a lot. That's slick. They put the air conditioning controls here. That's nice. Seats feel like they're re-cushioned. They're nice and firm. No wrinkles. They're upholstered real nicely. All the trim, the headrest, that all looks to be in excellent shape. The backs of the seat. And in back, comes with this nice little sign. But in back, everything looks good. The seats, the side panels, all look nice. You got 6x9 speakers in the back, so you got 4 speakers. Headliner's real nice, not wrinkled. Dome light works. Visors and mirror look like they're new. New SS steering wheel, although it does have a crack right over here. So pretty nice interior. Actually, very nice interior. This car flew through our shop. Every car gets test driven, put on the lift, gets an inspection, and this one went right through. Now, there's a lot to know here. They started with a 454 block. B&R Machine in Stockton, California built it. It's a 496 stroker making 600 horsepower. It does have a comp roller cam and lifters, stainless steel roller rockers. These are Edelbrock aluminum heads, an Edelbrock Performer intake, a Holley 850 double pumper carb. That's a pretty big carb. Looks like a billet distributor in the back. That's an MSD ignition. Nice aluminum air cleaner and valve covers. Plug wires are run neatly. Stainless steel headers. Nice billet dipstick. The whole firewall is smoothed out, and all the metal is all smooth and painted nice. An Optima battery. Upgraded PRC big aluminum radiator, 2 big aluminum fans, or electric fans. And then the whole front of the motor has the nice runner system, all billet serpentine pulleys, brackets, mini AC compressor, so it's modern heat and air. Nice alternator, modern power steering. Also has an aluminum water pump. Yeah, here's the reservoir for the steering, and one's probably an overflow. A remote oil filter. That makes it real nice. Change your oil filter right there. All painted up nice. Chrome power brakes. Look at under the hood. The squirters are hooked up. Has the insulation. It's all painted glossy. And Michael's going to take you out and show you what she's got. And this thing should be a romper. Also has electric cutouts on the exhaust if you really want to rock and roll.
All right, everybody, we're gonna have a quick little test drive right here. It's gonna be a lot of fun. This thing's packing some power under the hood. Should be a real street beast. 496 cubic inch, that's a 454, massaged out. Automatic shifter with the, this is called the Street Bandit, I believe. Really good feel onto that shifter there. Restoration's awesome all the way around. Power steering, power disc brakes up front. The motor itself's got like aluminum heads, Edelbrock aluminum heads, and Edelbrock intake, Holly 850 double pumper. There's a whole bunch of details on the website. Definitely go ahead and check it out. I do like the black kind of autometer gauges here. You don't see the black ones too often. You see a lot of the silver ones. Got the little tack down there. Just really set up very, very nicely. Vintage air on this one. The controls are right here, and we do have that on right now, and it works great. So yeah, let's see what she's got with the dumps closed here. Okay, guys. It actually hooked really, really well. I'm very impressed with that, the way that it's set up just overall. I mean, this thing just skied it out. Absolutely launched just perfectly right there. Wow. Fantastic car. It's a professional build on this 496 here. And man, I love the way it shifted. Love the way it shifted, and just love the way it accelerated. Absolutely. All the gauges are working clear across the board. Down here you got oil pressure, volts, water temp. Everything's sitting pretty right there. Yeah, wow, what a fantastic car. Definitely, if you guys want to come test drive this one yourself, no disappointments in any way, shape, or form. This is something that you could just, I mean, if you want, as you guys seen in the video, you know, you got the electric dumps. We can go ahead and show them one more time what it sounds like in the car. The kind of difference that we're talking. So if you want to have a little fun like that, rip it up a little bit, it's cool, but it really gets nice and quiet, but still got a good sound to it, you know, when the is running through the full exhaust there. So just a phenomenal car. Honestly, I can't say enough about it. Really digging this one. That air conditioner feels great. It's a hot day, so yeah. If you want to test drive yourself, contact somebody in our sales department. Joey or Eric will be more than happy to help you guys out. I'd highly recommend it because it's a heck of a lot of fun. Fantastic vehicle. I highly recommend it. You're going to love it. Check out all the pictures, details, and description on volocars.com. Oh man, that thing is smooth.
So again, California car. It looks like it has its original rust-free floors underneath. All the steering and suspension's been rebuilt. It does have the F41 suspension, which includes a rear sway bar and box control arms. Looks like upgraded KYB shocks. Fuel system's been replaced. Nice custom exhaust, Flowmaster mufflers with the SS tips. And there's a switch, like I was just telling you about. You hit the switch and it opens up stainless steel dumps, like right off the headers. Or you hit the switch back and it goes to much quieter mode. Also, all new wiring through the car. And that is a vintage air AC system. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. E-brake is hooked up. Everything is in really good condition under the car. Now you look up at that monster motor. It has a big extra capacity oil pan, has a high torque starter, and a chrome flywheel cover. It has a built turbo 400 automatic with a finned aluminum pan, rebuilt drive shaft, going back to a posi. It has an Eaton posi with a nice heavy duty aluminum cover over that as well. I like this car. I like the fact that it's white. I bet it sells quick because of that. It has a nice, clean, unique look. Blue ones, red ones, black ones, we get those all the time. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions like how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.